Hi, today we'll talk about nappé consistency. Nappé consistency. The word nappé is derived from the French word meaning coating or covering. It is the ideal consistency of a sauce or a liquid that is thick enough to coat evenly the back of a spoon. Nappé is the stage where the proteins are completely cooked and the sufficient thickness of the liquid is achieved. The importance of nappé consistency is that it will prevent the weeping of the proteins and it gives a shiny, velvety and smooth texture to your liquid. How to achieve the proper nappé consistency? Number 1, the proper temperature. The proper temperature will prevent your liquid from thickening excess. The ideal temperature for your nappé consistency would be around 70 to 85 degrees centigrade. And the second will be the constant stirring of your liquid, which will prevent the proteins from weeping. To check for the consistency, coat the back of your spoon into the liquid. Make a partition. If the liquid doesn't drip off, it's got the right consistency. So the products we use to check the nappé consistency would be crème anglaise, crème patisserie, fruit curds, and some fruit sauces, and so on.